This video will explain the additional features in settings for the Vetpump VP50 Infusion pump and the Vetflow Pro SP50 syringe pump. These features will allow the user to customize their pump. I'll be using the Vetpump VP Infusion pump in this video as the two pumps have identical software. With the pump not running an infusion and while on the home screen, select either one of the two menu buttons. The first menu item is modes. In addition to changing the mode from the home screen, you can also have the option to make the change here. Choose from 4 different modes: rate mode, time mode, body weight mode, and drug library mode. The next item is settings. Here you can view and select the IV brand or syringe brand you are using. Select cage number to change if you're moving it around the hospital. View and edit the drug library. The default password to edit the drug library is 48. You can rename the library titles. Change the KVO rate. Change manual bolus rate. Adjust the air bubble size to one of 7 settings. Adjust the pump idle alert time. This is an audible visual alarm that will alert the user that the pump has been idle for a set time, and whether or not they want to continue with the treatment. Adjust the pre-finish alarm. This will alert the user when infusion is almost finished at selected time. You can also turn the micro mode on and off and reset the volume infuse from current infusion. The next menu item is general settings. Here you can set the date and time, adjust the screen brightness, and adjust the sound level. You can also adjust the screen lock. Screen lock is an additional safety feature to ensure the touch screen is not accidentally touched. If in use, the screen lock is indicated on the screen with a lock symbol. If green, the touch screen is active. If red, it is locked. If the screen is touched, the pump will prompt the user to unlock the screen. The next general setting is night mode. This allows the user to set a time for the pump to automatically change the screen brightness. The battery capacity displayed in the upper right corner can be % left or actual time left. The next menu item is records. This will allow the user to view up to 5,000 history entries and up to 25 previous therapies. System settings lets the user change to one of the 8 different languages and view the serial number of the infusion pump. One more feature is the standby mode. Access by pressing the power button while not infusing. Select standby. The default standby time is 30 minutes. This means after 30 minutes, the pump will alert the user. If a different standby time is desired, just touch the screen and enter your preferred time. Select cancel to go back to home screen.